Still again. Number 30, long three, number. Put back, but there's foul out number. Last cross good. 6-point lead, Bukit Original. Back to number 29, to number 24. Love pass, 2 points. Number 30, Liza Kago. Number 7, put back, 2 points. To number 29, back to number 24. Back to number 29, face. To number 24, long two. In and out, put back, Kago. Number. Jump back. Bottom 10. 5 seconds to shoot. And 3 points. Full up time, 2 points later. Still again. Number 20. No good. Number 6 to 7. Outline pass. Number 20. No good. 24, 2 points. 2-point lead. Bukit Original. Running shot, no good. Round number 21, turn number 29. Number 9, baseline jumper, no good. Outlet pass. 2 points. Number 22, number 9. Still again by number 30. Number 30 is out. 2 points. Ball out of bounds, same ball. Same ball time. 10 number 29. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by number 6. Still again. Bukit basketball time. Number 17. Pass to number 7. Fakes. Drives lays out. That block. Save ball. Ball on 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Outline pass number 9. To number 2 strong. Rebound by number 24. 2 points. Still again. Bukit basketball time. To number 20. Number 6, Fakes. To number 20. Falling away, number 21. Number 29. Back to number 29, Fakes. Still by number 6. Ball out of bounds, right. Number 29. Still again. Counter still number 20. Taylor. Put back, 2 points. Chair number 24. Chair number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Lanzo, no good. Number 30. Raise up the points. 29, 22, 7.8. Okay, original. La Paz, 2 points. Chair number 30. Bogey basketball time. 2 minutes, 28 seconds. Still again by number 20. Bad pass, play number 17. Bad number, still by number 21. Play number 24. Two grounds, no good. The ball by number 6, play number 30. Two draws, one shot to points. 2 minutes time. Number 29 Flames. Foul number 17. Ball out of bounds. Bugog basketball time. Player out of bounds. Sing ball. Chair number 17. Pass number 71. Two balls, no good. Rebound by number 3. Outside pass, hit again. Chair number 17. Lays up, no good. Rebound by number 3. Chair number 29. Outline pass number 32. Lays up, no good. Rebound by number 30. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Number 32, 2 points, 65 seconds. Number 20, by pass, 50 seconds. Good back, but there's a foul on number.
Sayang.
Shabraf. Steal again. Foul by number 17. Holding foul. Long 3 number. Foul by number 29. Holding foul. Thirty seconds. Steal again. Outline pass. 80 seconds. Live ball tayo. Two points, change favor. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. That's then our first round. Official score 32-31. 20. Number 7. Number 7 to number 7. Third drops, no good. Play number 29. Play number 1 down to number 3. Shot block. Good tayo. Number 6. Ball out of bounds. Stepping up the line. Booking basketball time. For number 7. For number 6. Number 71, no good. Put back, no good. No good again, rebound by the Blue. Ball out of bounds, white ball time. Number 3. But there's ball on number. Jersey number 20. First draw number 2. Last draw by the Youngsters. Foul. Round 3, no good. Put back, no good again. Number 3, play number 32. Number 3, 2 points. Carrying the ball. White ball. For number 32, no good. Booking basketball time. Steal again. Basket count. Foul out number. Ball shot. Timeout. For number 6. Bang shot no good. Rebound number 29. Pass to number 3. Lob pass. Ball out of bounds. Booking basketball time. Step on the line. To number 32. Long three. 3 points. Number 7, full drops, in and out, rebound by number 9. Ball out of bounds. Steal again, 2 points. Ball out of bounds. Lays out 2 points. Foul by number 7. Play number 32. Play number 1. 29, no good. Put back, shot block, but there's ball on number 71. Hit to the head. First draw is good. Last draw by the Jumpers.
Upwards, Nane. Dorex. Go. Dorex. Upwards.
Last draw no good. No good. Foul on number 17. Third foul, number 17. First cross good, last draw. Last cross good.
Upward. Direct.
Chair number 17. Still pa rin. 4 minutes. Still again by number 17. Number 20. In and out. Round by number 29. Chair number 32. Now pass to number 1. Double dribble tayo. Okay, 2 points. Outlet pass, number 17. Lays out 2 points. Number 3, agad.
Gamit ka na gamit yung Durex.
Ball out of bounds. White ball. 2 minutes 58 seconds. Try number 3. Number 1, love pass, number, good back, 2 points. Ball out of bounds. White ball. Stepping of the line.
Upward. Step. Upward step.
Ball out of bounds. Raise up, over. Boundary number 7.
Durex.
Steal again. Chair number 29.
Magkukulami ka, pre.
Put back to points.
Durex.
2 minutes. Chair number 30. 2 points.
Next day, may upward student.
Number 29 face. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball out the ground. Still all on pass. 2 points. 65 seconds.